Austin Tower, FedEx 1432 Heavy, passing 5.4 for the Cat 3 ILS 18 left.
FedEx 1432 Heavy, Austin Tower, 18 left, RVR, touchdown 1,400, midpoint 600, rollout 1,800, 18 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 18 left, FedEx 1432 Heavy.
Tower, Southwest 708, we're short of 18 left, we're ready.
Southwest 708, Austin Tower, runway 18 left, RVR 1,200, midpoint 600, rollout 1,600. Flight heading 170, runway 18 left, clear for takeoff, traffic 3 mile, final is a heavy 767.
Okay, 170, cleared for takeoff, 18 left, copy the traffic, Southwest 708.
Tower, confirm FedEx 1432 Heavy, clear to land on 18 left.
FedEx 1432 Heavy, that is affirmative, sir. 18 left, you are clear to land, traffic departing prior to route 737.
Roger.
Southwest 708, confirm on the road.
Rolling now.
Southwest aboard. FedEx is on the go.
Southwest 708, roger, you can turn right when able.
Negative.
FedEx 1432, climb maintain 3000, when able you can turn left heading 080.
Wind turn to 080 3000, FedEx 1432 Heavy.
Southwest 708, you can turn left heading 170.
170, South 79.
FedEx 1432, turn left heading 360, contact approach on the 125.32.
$2532 left 360, FedEx 1432 Heavy.
I'm sorry, who was that? Southwest 708, you can contact departure.
708, sir.
Tower, FedEx 1432 Heavies on the ILS 18 left.
FedEx 1432 Heavy, Austin Tower, runway 18 left, RVR, touchdown 800, midpoint 800, rollout 1,200, 18 left, clear to land.
Clear to land, 18 left, FedEx 1432 Heavy.
And Tower, good morning, Delta 1242, we're ready, 18 right.
Delta 1242, Austin Tower, 18 right, RVR, touchdown 1,600, rollout 1,400, flight heading 190, runway 18 right, clear for takeoff.
Flight heading 190, clear for takeoff, 18 right, Delta 1242.
Tower American 828 Quebec, 3 miles from Jedi for the Cat 3.
Delta 1242, contact departure.
For departure today, Delta 1242.
American 828 Quebec, Austin Tower, runway 18 left, RVR, touchdown 600, midpoint 800, roll out 1,400, runway 18 left, clear to land.
18 left, clear to land, American 828, Quebec.
Good morning, Tower, American 2869 approaching, 18 right, ready.
American 2869, Austin Tower, 18 right RVR, 1,200 touchdown, roll out 2,000, fly heading 190, runway 18 right, clear for takeoff.
Heading 190, clear for takeoff, 18 right, American 2869.
And FedEx 1432 is exiting Lima.
FedEx 1432 Heavy, roger. Report clear the runway. You can join Bravo and contact ground on point 9.
We'll join Bravo, ground point 9. We'll report clear in a moment. FedEx 1432 Heavy.
Roger.
FedEx 1432 is Heavy. Let's clear the runway.
FedEx 1432 Heavy, roger, sir. You have our apologies. We appreciate your professionalism.
Thank you.